Hey there, fellow history enthusiasts. Today we're diving into something absolutely fascinating. Historical predictions that actually came true. You know that feeling when you watch an old sci-fi movie and think, wow, they totally called that one? Well, get ready, because what I'm about to share will blow your mind. Let's start with Morgan Robertson's 1898 novella Futility, which described a massive ocean liner called the Titan that sank after hitting an iceberg. Sound familiar? 14 years later, the Titanic met the exact same fate. The similarities were uncanny, from the ship's size to the lack of lifeboats and even the month of the disaster. Then there's Jules Verne, who in 1865 wrote about space travel in From the Earth to the Moon. He predicted a launch from Florida, just like NASA's Kennedy Space Center, and even calculated the rocket's speed and the weightlessness astronauts would experience. Pretty impressive for someone writing over a century before the moon landing. Remember those Star Trek communicators from the 1960s? Well, Motorola's first flip phone in 1973 looked suspiciously similar. Gene Roddenberry's vision of portable communication devices became our everyday reality. Here's one that's particularly mind-bending. In 1953, Ray Bradbury's Fahrenheit 451 described seashells and thimble radios that fit in ears and played music. Sound like any AirPods you know? John Brunner's 1968 novel, Stand on Zanzibar, predicted everything from on-demand TV to electric cars, and even terrorist attacks on schools. It's almost eerie how accurate he was. In 1888, Edward Bellamy wrote about credit cards in Looking Backward, decades before they were invented. He even got the concept of payment networks right. Robert Boyle in the 1600s predicted organ transplants, antibiotics, and even GPS navigation. That's right, centuries before they became reality. Arthur C. Clarke described satellite communication in 1945, years before Sputnik launched. He basically outlined how our modern global communication system would work. And let's not forget Leonardo da Vinci, who sketched designs for helicopters, tanks, and diving suits centuries before technology could make them possible. Finally, H.G. Wells predicted atomic bombs in 1914, 30 years before they became a devastating reality. He even used the term atomic bombs in his writings. It's incredible how these visionaries saw glimpses of our future long before we got there. Makes you wonder what current predictions might come true in our lifetime, doesn't it? If you enjoyed this mind-bending journey through prophetic history, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. Drop a comment below with your favorite historical prediction, or share one you think might come true in the future. Remember, today's science fiction might just be tomorrow's reality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.